G'day team, welcome back to another video. So today we're actually going to start looking at something called a logarithm. Now, when we write a positive number, y, in the form of 10 to the power of x, we say that that value x is the logarithm in base 10 of y. So the logarithm is in base 10 of a positive number is the power that 10 must be raised to in order to obtain that number. So for example, the log in base 10 of 10,000 is 4 because 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 10,000, all right? So we do have two formula to use here. So we've got log in base 10 of 10 to the power of x, which is equal to x. That's for any x in the real number set, or we could look at x equals 10 to the power of log base 10 of x for any x greater than 0. So we have both there for us to use. So let's jump straight into some examples. So without using a calculator, find log of 0.001 and log of 10,000 square root of 10. So if we are looking at this one here, we need to rewrite these numbers in terms of a power of 10. So 0.001 is in fact 10 to the power of negative 3. Okay, so now if we're looking back at our formula here, we know that log base 10 of 10 to the power of something is just equal to that power. So that means this is just equal to negative 3, okay? Similar process here. We need to convert these numbers into powers of 10, okay? So square root is to the power of a half. So this is equal to log of 10 to the power of 7 on 2, because our index laws say we add these. We've got 3 plus a half, which is 3.5, which we rewrite as 7 on 2. And using our formula, we know that that comes out to be equal to that power of 7 on 2. Okay, so that's just explicitly using the formula. Same thing here, we have our x values, and we're going to rewrite this in terms of 10 to the power of x. So that is using the formula 10 to the power of log base 10 of x. Okay, so in our first case here, that is 60, and on your calculator, that is 10 to the power of 1.778, okay, to 3 decimal places. All right, similar thing here, so we're going to write it as 10 to the power of log of 0.00001. All right, now 0.00001 is actually 10 to the power of negative 5. So we can just write that as 10 to the power of negative 5. All right, fantastic. So last one, use your calculator to find log of 4 and log of 40. And then part B, explain why the log of 40 equals the log of 4 plus 1. Now, the log of 4 is 0.602, and the log of 40 is 1.602. So you can see that log of 40 is indeed 1 plus the log of 4. So let's actually show why this is true. Okay, so this is our part B here. So log of 40 we can split up as to be, log of 4 times by 10. All right, now we can treat this 4 inside as just an x, and like we did in example 2, rewrite this. Oh, my apologies. So we can rewrite this as the log of 10 to the power of log 4 times by 10. Now that we have two bases that are the same to a power, we can use our log laws, our index laws, and we add the indices together, plus 1. And now we've got it just like our first example, where it's log of 10 to the power of something, which is just equal to that power. So we've got log of 4 plus 1, all right? And that is shown that log of 40 is log of 4 plus 1, all right? So just a few examples to get you cracking on the questions, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.